Namaste. Welcome to AmeyaOnline. This video will feature pretty digital printed silk cotton sarees. So all the sarees in this video will feature beautiful digital printing all over the body of the saree and the blouse. You can also see that the sarees have beautiful woven thread borders on both the sides. So that's the saree number 1 that you can see. It's a very pretty sea green color saree with checkered printing patterns all over the body of the saree. You can also see beautiful floral printing all over, and that's the pallu, and it's got a pretty printed checkered blouse like that. So that's saree number 1, priced at 5,499. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Please note, we don't have COD option. You can pay us via payment apps like PhonePe, Google Pay or Paytm. And we send our parcels via India Post, that is Speed Post. And moving on to the second saree, here we have this beautiful pink saree with floral printing all over the body of the saree. These beautiful bunches all over the saree like that. That's the pallu of the saree that you can see on the screen right now. And it's got a floral printed blouse in magenta pink again. So saree number 2, priced at 5,499. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us. You may also visit our store. We are in Sarath City Capital Mall, that's in Kondapur, Hyderabad. Please do visit our store. Here we have the third saree of this video. It's a beautiful yellow saree with printed floral patterns all over. Nice thread woven borders on both the sides. That's the pallu of the saree. Nice printed floral patterns. Yep. And it's got a beautiful blouse. It's a plain blouse. So that's the blouse for you. Yeah, so this is saree number 3, priced at 5,499. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us. So this is the 4th saree of this video. It's a pretty peach color saree with floral printing all over like that. It's got nice thread woven borders on both the sides, similar to the other sarees. And here we have this pallu, which is again a printed pallu with floral patterns all over. And I think it's got a plain blouse. So to order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to 98459 and 6886. Please note the prices are inclusive of shipping, and it's priced at 5,499. And to order this, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Saree number 5 is this pretty Pichwai inspired printed saree. You can see beautiful prints all over the body of the saree. You can see these lotuses and beautiful clouds and patterns, and so that's the saree for you. That's the pallu. It's again got lotuses and other beautiful patterns, and you can see these panel printing all over the saree in Pichwai inspired printing all over. That's the plain blouse of the saree, and you can see these beautiful thread woven borders on both the sides. So that's saree for you. Saree priced at 5,499. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Here we have the 6th saree. It's a beautiful Bandhani inspired saree with, you can see these beautiful patterns all over the body of the saree. The Bandhani print plus the beautiful bunches all over the body of the saree. There are thread borders on both the sides, and it's got a pretty attached blouse. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to 98459 and 6886. And please note the prices are inclusive of shipping, and it's priced at 5,499. Saree number 7 is this unique saree. It's got this kalamkari inspired print all over the body of the saree. What's different is this beautiful paisley thread work on the borders on both the sides of the saree. You can also see that the pallu also has this beautiful thread weaving all over the pallu. So that's the saree for you. You can see these beautiful paisleys on both the sides of the saree in the borders. These woven thread borders are very pretty, and this is the unique saree in this video in that way. It's got a contrast blue color blouse with this thread woven borders on both the sides. Saree priced at 5,499, and to order this, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. So here we have the 8th saree of this video. It's a beautiful Chanderi saree. You can see silk cotton saree in Chanderi patterns. You can see these beautiful small borders, gold borders on both the sides. What you can also see on the saree is this beautiful woven buttas all over the body of the saree. You can see that. So the saree has got stripes printed on the body, while it's got a very nice floral printed blouse. Printed pallu and a floral printed blouse. The entire saree has stripes and the blouses are printed florals. So saree priced at 5,499. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us. This is the next saree. It's the 9th saree of this video, and it's again got these beautiful buttas all over the body of the sarees. Simple striped, simple stripes, self stripes actually, all over the body of the saree. You can see. And it's again got a nice striped borders on both the sides, and also a small piping gold borders on both the sides. That's the pallu of the saree, a printed pallu with buttas all over like that. It's a very beautiful saree, very lavish and beautiful. And that's the printed pallu. It's a brown printed blouse like that. Saree priced at 5,499. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us. That's the 10th saree of this video. It's again a beautiful saree with nice buttas all over the body, woven buttas. It's a very nice magenta color saree. It's more like a batik inspired print, this one. So you can see zigzag borders on both the sides, printed zigzag borders. And that's the pallu with printed paisleys in batik inspired printing all over. You can also see these beautiful golden lines in the pallu. So that's the saree for you. Saree priced at 5,499. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us. That's a beautiful blouse. So here we have the 11th saree in this video. You see these beautiful buttas, zari buttas woven all over the body of the saree. You can also see self stripes all over the body of the saree, and the borders also features beautiful striped borders on both the sides. So that's the saree for you, and that's the pallu of the saree with very pretty buttas all over. Yep. And it's got a beautiful blouse, printed blouse, self-printed blouse. Saree priced at 5,499. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Please note the prices are inclusive of shipping. We send our couriers via India Post. And please note we don't have a COD option. You can pay us via payment options like PhonePe, Google Pay or Paytm. This is the last saree of this video. It's a beautiful dark maroon color saree. You can have on the border on one side, printed border with woven zari buttas all over the body of the saree. That's the pallu of the saree. You can see buttas and borders printed in the pallu again, and it's got a beautiful printed blouse. Saree again priced at 5,499. To order the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Please note we have a store in Sarath City Capital Mall. Do visit our store. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Our Insta handle is AmeyaOnline. Do subscribe to us if you haven't subscribed. Thank you. Happy shopping.